Routines that you have in your home will transition to a school setting and will help them to be more confident with skills that they are trying to learn. Consistency is the key.
I would say to start small, and I think one of the most critical home routines is a good bedtime routine.
So basically, self-help skills for any person are just tasks that a person needs to learn in order to navigate through life. When you talk about kindergartners, though, you're talking about being able to navigate their lives in the kindergarten classroom. So it's important to have these self-help skills in order for them to feel confident and be able to be successful.
There are 6 self-help skills that we would love your children to have before they come into kindergarten. Getting dressed independently, using the bathroom independently, proper hygiene, mealtime, knowing how to clean up, and following school routines. We feel it is very important for parents to work on these skills with their children at home.
You have to be 5 years old by September 1st to be enrolled in kindergarten. So the kids who were turning 5 in October and November, they go to transitional kindergarten. So transitional kindergarten really is the first year of a 2-year kindergarten program.
In kindergarten, your child will be learning basic concepts in language arts, math, science, and social studies, and so much more. We set the foundation for learning to come in the future years of education.
What a child should know before they enter kindergarten can be very overwhelming for many people. Some of the things that I'm looking for as a teacher are their sense of books. Do they have a sense of number? Do they know their letters? Do they know their shapes and colors? Children come with a lot of skills, and we just want to build on those particular skills.
Kindergarten classrooms are designed as a safe space. When you look around, it's going to be colorful and have kids work up and things that they can reach and have access to.
A kindergarten classroom is set up for interaction, for kids to be able to go to an area and to move things around and learn through building.